Hello and welcome to the Knowledge Mint. Today I am here with the topic why Python for data science. Or you can say, if you want to build your career in data science, you must know or you must use Python programming language. So agenda of the session is I'm going to give you a brief discussion, detail about Python, and then how Python is suitable for data science, or we can say why the people like data science. Now we'll see agenda for the today's session. So in this I will introduce Python language in brief, and I will also discuss why Python is suitable for data science position, or why people like Python or use Python in their data science work. So this is a brief introduction about Python. So we all know that Python is a high level interpreted, it is not compiled, interpreted programming language that is widely used for various purposes, including web development, data analysis, artificial intelligence, scientific computing, automation, and more. Here are some key points about Python. First one, readability and simplicity. Second, interpreted and interactive. It's multi-purpose. It's also object-oriented programming, strong community and library support, and learning resources are widely available. So first we'll discuss the point readability and simplicity. How Python is readable, or code of Python is readable and learning becomes simple. So Python is known for its clean and readable Python code, and Python is known for its clean and readable text. Now we are going to discuss first point, feature of Python, readability and simplicity. So Python is known for its clean and readable syntax, which makes it easy to understand and write code. It uses indentation and white space to define code blocks, enhancing readability, reducing need of excessive punctuation. Right? So unnecessary punctuation is not required. Because of indentation and white space, the code readability or readability of code block becomes easier. Interpreted and interactive. Python is interpreted language, meaning it does not require explicit compilation before execution. So you need not to compile like you compile in C. You write a code and then you need to compile it and then you can execute it. It is compiled as you code. It is compiled. This allows a quick and interactive development, as code changes can be immediately tested and executed. While you write code, it is tested. Python also supports interactive programming to Python interpreter or interactive cell, where statement and expression can be executed and evaluated real-time basis. It's a multi-purpose language. Python is versatile language that can be used for a wide range of application. It offers extensive libraries. This is very, very important. and framework for the tasks such as web development. For web development, it has Django and Flask. Scientific computing, it has libraries like NumPy and SciPy. For data analysis, it has a library called Pandas. For machine learning, it has TensorFlow and PyTorch. The PyTorch has a library. So Python's flexibility and large ecosystem makes it suitable for small scale and large scale complex projects also. Object-oriented programming. Python supports object-oriented programming principle, allows developers to create reusable and modular code. It provides features like classes, objects, inheritance, and polymorphism, enabling development of well-structured and maintainable software. Because if that code, that bigger code is in form of module, it can be reused, it can be enhanced, it can be modified easily and maintained properly. Now, cross-platform capability. Python is a cross-platform language, which means Python code can run on different operating systems such as Windows, Mac OS, and Linux without significant modification. Means a minor modification with a very small modification, you can deploy it towards various platforms or multiple platforms. Strong community and libraries. Python has a large and active community of developers, researchers, and enthusiasts. This community contributes to the development and maintenance of numerous open source libraries and framework, expanding the capabilities of Python and making it easy to leverage existing solutions for various tasks. Learning resource, as it says, it is very good for the beginners, so that's why it's called beginner friendly, making it as an excellent language for those who are learning it for first time. And it has a wealth of huge amount of resources available, including comprehensive documentation, tutorial, online courses, and books are easily available. Now the second agenda of the session was why Python is best for data science. Point number one, it has a rich ecosystem. I have discussed it in the earlier points also in the feature part of the Python. The Python has a vast and mature ecosystem of libraries, framework especially designed for data science. Most popular libraries like Pandas, which provides powerful data manipulation and analysis capability. Means if you need to analyze data and if you need to manipulate and analyze data, Pandas is there. Notable library includes NumPy, numerical computations, Matplotlib, Seaborn. These are the, you can say, Matplotlib and Seaborn. Right? Seaborn is for data visualization. Scikit-learn for machine learning. So these libraries like Pandas, NumPy, right, and Matplotlib, Seaborn, Scikit-learn, these are very, very powerful libraries which help us in taking care of various projects. Easy to learn and use. Sure, Python has a very simple, reliable syntax that make it easier to learn in compare of other programming languages. Its clean and intuitive syntax allows data scientists to focus more on solving the problem rather than getting bogged down by the complex code. So its code simplicity helps data scientists or the people who are working in the field of data science help it a lot. Means they are they are free from complexity of the coding. Strong community support. Python has a large and active community of data scientists, researchers, and developers who contribute to the open source project and provide support through forums, blogs, tutorials. This vibrant community ensures that there is a wealth of resources and solutions that are readily available. Versatility and integration. Python versatility allows to be seamlessly integrated with other technologies. So it has a, you can say it is very flexible, versatile, so that it can work with other technologies and tools commonly used in the data science ecosystem. It can be easily interfaced with databases, web APIs, big data processing frameworks like Apache Spark. Industry adoption. Python has gained significant traction in the data science industry and is widely adopted by companies and organizations. Many prominent data science framework, platforms, and tools are built with Python as a primary language, including TensorFlow, PyTorch, Jupyter Notebook. So these all frameworks are built considering Python as a primary language. Now it has some important point to note. While Python is dominant language in the data science, it's worth noting that other languages like R, Julia, Scala have their own strength and weaknesses, you can say, or limitation. However, the overall breadth of application, community support, and job options, Python remains top choice for the data science position. Means if you want to build your career in the field of data science, or you're looking for any job in the field of data science, then Python has to be your primary language for computation or for coding. So it is important to continually enhance your skill, stay updated with latest development and tools in the data science field to maximize your job prospects. With this, good luck and happy learning. And again, I would love that if you subscribe this channel and share this video for others who are not very aware of why data science, why Python, and what is the coordination between, and how you can say these Python and data science, you can say they complement each other, right? So thank you. Have a great learning ahead.